Mom, I'm taking a moment to tell you how incredible you are. You are the best, and I don't know what I would do without you. Thank you for everything you've done and continue to do for me. You are my rock, my refuge in difficult times. Your strength and resilience inspire me every day. You're the one who understands me without me needing to speak, the one who knows exactly what to say to cheer me up or advise me. Thank you for your sacrifices, for all those sleepless nights, for your uncondition. You've always been there for me through the good times and the bad. Your patience and kindness know no bounds, and I'm so grateful for that. I know I don't say it enough, but I love you so much. You're more than mom. You're a friend, a mentor, a role model. Your wisdom and love have shaped me into the person I am today. I promise to do my best to make you proud, continue to learn from you, to enjoy every moment we have together. Thank you for being you, Mom. You truly are the best, and I'm eternally grateful for everything